Hello everyone, this is Mihir Korulwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Kotak Bank. Analyst maintains buy rating on Kotak Bank with a price target of Rs 2,500. We believe balance sheet growth profitability is expected to be better than peers. The bank is reasonably confident to sustain ROA over 2% in near to medium term. Given improving outlook and strong underperformance seen in last 5 years, expect stock to re-rate over in the next 12 months. It currently trades at 2.3x and 2.1x its FY26 and 27 core book value estimates. Next, we have an update on Affle India. Analyst maintains buy on Affle with a price target of Rs 1880 as the company is on a strong growth trajectory as industry tailwinds remain intact and management expects growth momentum to sustain in the fiscals ahead. With advertisers prioritizing return on ad spends and return on investment, Affle's unique CPCU model position it favorably to provide consistent, scalable and profitable outcomes for the brands globally and will thereby enable it to achieve strong sustainable medium to long term growth. We expect sales PAT CAGR of 23% and 21% respectively over FY24 to 27. At the current market price, the stock trades at 39.5x its FY27 EPS. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to follow us on our social media handles for the latest market insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.